There. Home sweet home. I told you this was better than living in that guy's bus.
Hey, I like Chester, though. And it was fun eating soup from a frisbee.
Percy, you precocious little bean. This is a huge step up from Chester and his frisbee soup. We've got actual dishes. Plus, I just fixed the fan over the stove so we don't have that weird burnt egg smell anymore.
Oh, wow, Victor. That tactical brain of yours sure does come in handy. Thanks for looking out for us, dude.
Yeah, you're welcome. Now fetch me the buckets. I want to watch TV.
Ooh, yeah, great idea, Victor. One thing, though. Do you think that instead of sitting on buckets all the time, we could get a couch?
Why? The buckets worked great in the bus. They'll work fine here. Old Victor's got this all planned out. I get mine. All the time.
Yeah, but, a lot of humans have couches. It might help us blend in a little better. Stealth mode.
Fine. I'll go get us a couch. Well. Look what the cat dragged out. Come here, beautiful.
Welcome back to I Woke Up in a Hot Air Balloon.
What? Where am I?
You're in a hot air balloon.
Huh? Why though?
That's what I'm talking about. Maximum relax. This is a pretty nice couch, Victor.
Yep, I'm pretty amazing. You know what's less than amazing, though? I'm out of chips.
Oh, I know, Victor. There's a whole bunch of chips in the kitchen. I'll go get them. You gotta build up your strength after winning us this couch from that strongman contest.
Did you carry me here when I was sleeping?
That lady's so dumb.
Yeah, I know, right? Who makes these shows?
Who said that?
I did.
Huh?
Duh.
Wait, hold up. You talk?
Yeah. Hey, would you toss some of those chips my way? I'm starving.
Percy! I think the couch...
Don't worry, Victor.
Wow.
I got your chips right there in the kitchen. I was just heating up a banger plate of nachos for us. Oh, hi, Lyle.
Hi. Listen, my bedroom smells like burnt eggs, and I know it's somehow your fault. So I called the super...
Lyle, let me give you a hypothetical. Say you just moved into an apartment and you find out the kitchen smells like a dump. So you spend the evening duct taping your old dryer hoses together to route your kitchen fan down to your neighbor's window, so it's his problem and not yours. But all of a sudden you find out your couch is haunted. What do?
I'm sorry, you did what? Why would you do that? I'm going straight...
The couch is haunted? Oh my.
You two are going to hear...
Lyle, listen! We have a couch situation on our hands! What do you do about the couch, man? We have a haunted couch! What do we do?
I don't know. I guess you'd have to talk to an exorcist or something. I don't really know. Listen, about the egg smell being funneled into my apartment...
Great to see you, Lyle. You should come up and have breakfast sometime. But right now, we
Do
have
not
a
close this door.
haunted
No.
couch to deal with.
Just stop. Don't...
Toodaloos.
I can't... I will be heard.
Haunted? Wow, that's exciting.
Get me the phone book.
This says we can get guaranteed results. It says they have a Get Your Keister Moving sale. I don't know what that has to do with hauntings, but keisters are one of my favorite things to move.
Just call the number.
Hello? Yeah. Hello, Rachel. Oh, I'm doing fine today. How are you? Oh, wonderful. It is a beautiful day, isn't it? I saw that sunrise this morning, and it just took my breath away, you know?
Psst, ask them about the exorcism.
Ah, yes. Well, listen, Rachel. We have a problem and need to get some exercise. What would you recommend? We do want results fast, Rachel. Did you know that fast is my middle name? Rachel says she needs a credit card.
No problem. Got you covered. Yeah, my name is Lyle Smith.
She's a sweetie.
Yeah. Rush shipping, please. Yeah, do you have like right now shipping? Like a guy just literally brings it here. Yeah, I don't care how much it is. Yeah, no, of course I'll pay extra. Yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm literally made of money.
Wow, isn't she a beaut? Look at those clean lines. Boy, howdy.
Who cares about the clean lines? Let's get this thing moving and de-haunt our couch.
Do you think you pushed the bunny rabbit or the tortoise?
You mean the turtle?
Actually, it's a tortoise because it's got legs for walking on land.
Who cares? Just
It's
smash
a land
something.
turtle or tortoise.
Who cares?
That's what they call turtles that walk on the land.
Just mash some buttons.
Tortoise. Well, we want fast results, right?
No, actually, I'd love our couch to be haunted forever. Of course, we want fast results. Come on.
I think I'm gonna hit the bunny rabbit. Victor?
Oh, yeah.
I think it's probably done.
Feel the burn.
I'm feeling it all right. I think it's starting to burn the drywall.
That's the smell of results.
Those are the results of the fabric catching fire.
Well, turn it off then.
I am.
You're not, though. You made it go faster.
No, I'm turning it off right now.
It's actually going faster now.
You have to hit the button a few times, though.
Percy, it's starting to smoke.
No, I know. I have to make it go faster to make it go slow.
That doesn't even make sense.
It's like our fan. You have to make it go faster to turn it off.
Come on.
I bet this next press is the one that makes it stop. See, there she goes. Way to go, team.
What is wrong with you?
Hey, what's going on up there?
It talked again.
Are you guys okay?
Oh, yeah, Walter. Everything's cool as a cucumber up here.
Just
Feeling
take it.
great.
Back it up. The couch has a name.
Oh, yeah, that's just the crack guy, Walter.
Hold on, there's a crack guy?
Yeah, see, he talks through the crack in the floor.
Oh, God. Wait, that's the guy downstairs?
He has some really good ideas. He's really smart.
Oh, that's just great. So the couch isn't haunted.
You know what's crazy, though, is to him, I'm the crack guy.
Wow. Super.
Do you guys need me to call an ambulance? My cousin's got a hearse.
No thanks, Walter. I think we're all good.
Hey, did you get those nachos? I'm pretty hungry. Pretty hungry down here.
Well, at least the couch isn't haunted.
I don't know if I'd say that. From here, it looks pretty haunted. Also, did you guys know birds aren't real? It's just a way for the government to spy on us. They train the birds to fly into the public bathrooms. You'll see.
Hello?
And there aren't horses either.
Hello?
They're holograms. Tell my bud Hank, hey, you leaving horses? He said, yeah. I was like, well, then show me one. He couldn't. I was like, bring me a horse right now. I dare you. And he was like, I can't do that. And I'm like, that's convenient. That proves my point, you know?
Answer the door, you hooligans. I know you're in there.
I'll get it. Oh, hey, Lyle. Long time no see.
Yeah, I know when you guys took my wallet, so hand it over. Oh. Well, butter my biscuits. Hello. Is that a limited edition Oprah Winfrey Bun Burner 3000? Somebody open up a window. I'm gonna pass out.
Yeah, you better believe it. But it's mine. I paid for it with my money, and that means it's mine. Unrelated, here's your wallet back.
Those things have next level gate control. They say that your glutes grow threefold in just a week of walking on that sassy baby. Maybe I could, take it for a spin, see if the reviews are right. I'm a Consumer Reports subscriber, so.
Tell you what, Lyle, because I think you're a good dude, I'm gonna shoot you straight on this one. I'll let you have it for $100.
You, sir, have a deal. Look out, glutes. I'm getting myself new pants.
That's right, it's a hot air balloon!
This is still just so hard to believe.
All right, I'm gonna go reroute the bathroom vent down into Lyle's apartment. Be back later.
Did I lose a contest or something?
Wow, this show is pretty amazing.
What is this show called again?
It's called People Waking Up in a Hot Air Balloon.
I don't know why you would do that.
I love it!
Hey, Oprah, what does haunted mean?
Oh, it just means there's a ghost in it.
Oh, wow. We really dodged a bullet on that one, huh?
Who are you people?
Thanks, Percy.
I hope we land soon. Birds give me the heebie-jeebies.
Birds are perverts.
I love that movie.